Hi guys, so welcome back. So there have been a couple updates to this whole Facebook delete your page process. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through it. As of today, May 27, 2024, this is how you go ahead and delete or deactivate your page. I know there's been some changes, so I just want to go ahead and update or create a new update for everyone that's been asking. So under your profile photo to the top right, there's a little arrow right there. You want to go ahead and click that. Now, when you click this, you're going to select the page that you want to delete. Okay, very important. You need to make sure you click on the page that you're trying to delete. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and click this page right here. It's going to take you now into the page properties itself. If you look to the left, you should see a few things over here, and you should see settings. If this doesn't show up, how do you get it? Now, under the page itself, you want to click also the little drop down arrow, and you want to go ahead and click settings and privacy. And then once that comes up, you want to go ahead and click settings, and it's going to take you now into the page itself. So you should see preferences and a whole bunch of other stuff on the left hand side. Now from here, you want to make sure that you look for access and control. It should be under your information, but just in case they make a new update, look for access and control. That's what you're looking for. Then you click access and control, you go inside, and bam, this is where you'll see it, right? This is where you're going to go to deactivate or delete the page. This is the latest update that I am tracking how to do this process. So if it changes again, I will try to keep you guys updated as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so whenever I post new videos, you can be notified instantly. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a great day.